Let's deal with this topic on the board, number-based system. And we are going to look at conversion from base 10 to other base. An example we are going to deal with, convert 25 in base 10 to base 6. Anytime you are given this type of question and this base is 10, and this one can be other base like 2, 3, 4, all you need to do is successful dividing and recording the remainder. In this method, you are going to apply what I call DMXR. And how do we do that? We're going to roll a line like this. We have something like this too. Here, since we are asked to convert 25 base 10 to base 6, this 6 will be here. Alright, the 25 will be here, and this one will serve as our remainder. I'll roll something like this. I'll put some box here. The reason I'm doing this so that beginners will be able to understand what I'm going to do. Then, since I was told to convert 25 base 10 to base 6, I'm going to divide 25 divided by 6. 25 divided by 6 is going to give me 4.16666. I don't have any business with this. I'll pick this number 4. I'll put it here. Alright. Now, I'll now write it. That means I've already divided. By saying 25 divided by 6, I've already used D. This stands for division. The next is multiply, which is M. I'm going to say what 6 times 4 will give me 24. I've already multiplied. The next, I'm going to subtract. I'll say what 25 minus 24 will give me 1. So my remainder, which is record, is already 1. Then I'll go further again by saying 4 divided by 6. 4 divided by 6 is going to give me 0.666. I don't have business with it. I'll pick this 0. I'll put it here. So the next thing, I'll still use it. That means I've already divided for the second time. And I'll say 6 times 0 will give me 0. I've already multiplied. The next, I'll subtract. I'll say what 4 minus 0 is equals to what 4. Now, when I'm going to record my answer, I'll record from the bottom to the top. So in doing that, I'll now have 25 in base 10 is equals to what 41 in what in base what 6. Now, conversion from other base to what to base 10. The number that is given should always be what lesser than the base. If the base is 6, the number should be what 1, 2, 3 down to 5. It cannot be equal to 6 and it cannot be greater than 6. Now the method we are going to use is called what power expansion what method. We are going to use what power what expansion what method to solve this problem. And how do we do that? And we are going to say what 2 times the base, which is 6. Then we are going to say plus what 5 times the base, which is 6. Then starting from 0 and 1. Remember that any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Then here we are going to have what 2 times 6. Since we have 6 raised to power 1. Then plus what 5 times 1. And how do we get this one? 6 raised to power 0 is 1, the law of indices. Here we have 2 times 6 will give us 12, and 5 times 1 will give us what 5. When we add everything, we have what 17 in what in base what 10, and this is our answer. Thank you.